Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write and run a program in C++ using CodeBlocks. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, and subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. And then please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. In my previous video, I demonstrate how to write and run C++ program using div C++. So today, I will discuss now on how to write and run a program using CodeBlocks. CodeBlocks is one of the most, in my personal opinion guys, is popular IDE in writing C and C++ program. It is used primarily in writing C++ programs in school and industry. It is very similar to div C++. However, there are some differences that I observe. In div C++, because it is not yet being upgraded into several versions, some of the C++ 19 or 21 compiler compliance is not supported. In CodeBlocks, a newer version of implementation of the C++ language is being implemented, 19, 20, 21. So we have here, go here, about, so I'm using CodeBlocks 20.03, no? So when we run a program, we will start from the beginning. We go to File, select New, Empty File. Okay, so let's say we want to write a very simple hello world program. Sharp include IOStream. Okay, so int main, open and close parentheses, begin. Okay, so std : console out, left shift operator, double quotation, hello world in C++, semicolon, and then to save our work, simply press Ctrl S. Okay, we will select the directory that we want to save our work, YouTube. Let's say we will create a folder here, how to run C++ in how to write and run C++ program in CodeBlocks. Okay, when we save our work, we have to specify the extension. Example, hello world, one word only, .cpp, and then click the save button. Once we save, the next step that we'll do is to check for syntax error. How do we do that? Click build in the main menu, go to build and run. It will compile and run our program. Okay, so we can see already hello world in C++. As easy as that, no? So we were able to create a hello world in C++. Okay, another example. Let's say we want to create a program that will ask three numbers and then it will display the sum of the three given numbers in C++. Okay, so what we'll do is to declare a variable here, int a equals 0, comma b equals 0, c equals 0, and then we have sum that will act as assignment statement. Now, the sample code that I'm teaching you guys, I'm using modern C++ approach in writing this program. As you observe, I'm not using namespace std on the top. It doesn't matter, the code will run, no, with small modification. So here, new line here to new line. We will copy, highlight, copy, paste. Excuse me, /t addition of three numbers in C++. Okay, Ctrl S to save, copy again, paste. Okay, so in this portion of our code, we will declare a statement, \t, enter. Okay, much better, we will using give 3 numbers. Okay, std, cn, right shift A, right shift B, right shift C. So it will accept input from the user. Next, using the sum assignment statement equals, open and close parentheses, A plus B plus C, semicolon. So in this portion of our code, we are accepting 3 input values, no? Whole number, that is integer. This one is the process, and then the next is the output. So to output, we simply copy then again this one and then paste here, and then we can have the sum of A, comma, B, comma, and C is, we will call the assignment statement sum in this portion of our code. Period. Okay, so we have done. So basically, for yung input output in C++, we declare a series of variable here, A, B, C, and sum. It has a data type of integer. When we say integer, it refers to a data type that can accept whole number, including 0, negative number, and positive number also. After we ask input from the user, the next step will be the process. Using an assignment statement sum, we perform addition. So variable A plus variable B plus variable C, and then we have here the display. Take note, guys, that in C++ it is case sensitive. When we say case sensitive, if it is declared in small letter, the variable A, B, C, and sum, it should be used uniform throughout our program to avoid any syntax error. Okay, assuming we'll make this as capital S, and then this is a small letter s, no? When we go to compile and run, say there is already an error. Sum was not declared in this scope because it is small letter s, this one is capital letter S. So we change to small letter s, and then when we build and run, our program will be run perfectly. So right now we already compile and then we run our program. The title of our program is addition of 3 numbers in C++ crib 3 numbers. Let's say we have 1 space 2 and 3. So 1, 2, and 3, we have 6. So the sum of 1, 2, and 3 is 6. Perfect. We get the right result of our program. Okay. So what is good about CodeBlocks? Actually, it is much similar also to div C++, is that there are so many built-in functions here if you want to. And then normally it supports plugins also. In div C++, I don't know. I think there is no plugins. Maybe I'm wrong, no? Okay, so it creates, no? When we run our program here, it creates, no, a true double file, hello world.exe, same to div C++. Okay, so we are already finished here in input output. Another example maybe will be is a looping statement 4, no? So we can remove this one. Okay, we will start from scratch. For open in parentheses int a, let's say we want to display a series of number from 1 to 20. A less than or equal to 20, a plus plus, begin, std, console out, std, set w, set with 4, set with 3, a, close. I will add another variable here. Library file sharp include IO manip for input output manipulator. Okay, so let us compile first. So in this line of code, one of the first looping statement that every programmer first learn in learning C++ is the for loop statement. There are three sections of a for loop statement. We have here the initial value, the conditional, and then the increment. So in this example, we declare a variable and then initialize to one variable a. One of the tips that I would like to share with you guys is that when you are using looping statement in C, C++, Java, or even C++ or Perl, whatever programming language, the data type is always integer. It means it can accept only 0, positive, and negative number. You cannot use float or double in declaring a variable. If you are using a looping statement, it will generate an error. So a equals 1, a less than or equal to 20. Is this condition true? Yes, because the initial value of a is 1. In the increment, when we increment, it will add by 1. So this will display C out set with 3. Spacing, build and run. Okay, I forgot another colon. Build and run. Okay, much perfect, no? So 1 to 20. So if we want to have much bigger spacing, let's say we have 6 to set with, compile and run. Okay, much bigger. So maybe most appropriate is 4. So compile and run. Okay, perfect. 1, 2, 3 up to 20. Okay, so I guess this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write and run a C++ program in Dev C++. I discussed 3 programs: the hello world, the addition of 3 numbers, and then a simple looping statement to display a series of numbers from 1 to 20. There are so many programs that we can write using C++ using CodeBlocks. C++ programming language is a very big programming language used in a wide variety of application development, from operating system, antivirus, games, business applications, graphics, mathematical programs, databases can be written in C++. And then also in mobile development, in hardware interfacing. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video on how to write and run C++ program using CodeBlocks. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.